This 2022 Heartland Sundance 293RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, TV, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Sundance 293RL is 7,069 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.